Let me show the world who we're about today, man. We take from them everything, and we give them nothing. We take from them everything, and we give them nothing.
Today, it is win to get in for your Los Angeles Rams. With a victory, they will clinch a playoff spot.
There's only one option now. Time to go get it. Let's go do it.
Welcome to Week 15 in the National Football League. It's a matchup between the 8-5 Detroit Lions and your Los Angeles Rams with 10 victories and only 3 losses.
It's going to be a war for 60 minutes. Us versus their skill. We got hit in the mouth, attack the ball, punch at the ball, and we back, man.
You have to focus in on right now. We can't worry about Seattle and what's going on there. You have to make sure that you eliminate a team when you can. And then there's a little history. Losing there in the wild card, losing there last year in the week 1. When it crossed those lines, it's time to execute and make plays.
Game day, bro. Turn the ball out, bro. Ain't nothing else to say, man. Let the play talk. We owe it to ourselves to be our best today. Get it. You owe it to each other to be our best today. Get it.
This is going to be a raucous, a very electric atmosphere. So as far as the fans go, first to the escalator loses. It's about who wants it more today.
We done came too far already. Only one way to do, keep pushing it through, man. Watch.
This is a dress rehearsal for January. This is where the Rams want to spend their January, hosting playoff games in Inglewood.
We know what this is about. Hit him in the mouth. We're bringing the ball 60 minutes. Whatever the it takes. Here with the win. Let's go.
Here we go. Lions and Rams renewing their rivalry in Week 15 at SoFi Stadium. Detroit misses a 43-yard field goal. Rams' first possession already in Lions territory. Rams have a chance to get the first points. They spread the Lions out now. Kobie Parkinson motions in from the right side at the shotgun snap. Stafford sets the laces, screen right, picked off, intercepted. Aiden Hutchinson down the middle of the field. Kyren Williams tracking him. He gets blocked. Kobie Parkinson trips him up at the 16-yard line. A game-changing pick off Matthew Stafford. A return all the way inside the LA 20. Lions set up in the red zone. Goff in the shotgun, calls for the snap. Rams drop 8 into coverage. Goff rips one, end zone, caught, touchdown. Underneath the right upright, Amon-Ra St. Brown converts the interception into a touchdown.
Keep it up. You're doing a great job, bro. It's a free play.
Let's play, man. Let's play.
The Lions cash it in with a 17-yard touchdown, but the Rams get it back, still with half the first quarter left. Stafford brings Corum into his right hip. Has to beat the play clock here. Takes a high snap. The blitz is picked up. The throw goes to Puka. Left side caught. Crashing through Lions. Twisting near the first down. It is Stafford alone in the gun. Play clock at 5. 4th down. He needs 8 to keep the possession alive. Throws right. Puka leaping catch. Extending for the first down at the right sideline. He's got it again.
4th down for Puka is crazy.
Yeah. That's what he do. That's what he do.
Puka Nacua, cash on 4th down and long. First down. Play fake, boot left, Stafford flips his hips, fires, it's caught. Kobie Parkinson 20, stiff arm 10, to the 5 and stumbles down to the 3. The Rams have a chance to get a tying touchdown here with 3 minutes to go in the first quarter. And goal from the 4. Lions 7, Rams 0. Puka's aligned in the backfield in front of Kyren Williams, who takes the handoff, weaves through the middle, goes in untouched. Kyren struts in for a touchdown. The Rams respond. The 4th down decision by Sean McVay was the key. 7 up at SoFi in Week 15.
Hey, that's like 16 great drives, all right? Competitive greatness. Be your best you are.
So back in the hands of Matthew Stafford from the left hash in his own 31-yard line. First drive of the second quarter begins with a run. Well blocked up the middle. Kyren Williams with a stiff arm as he reaches midfield. To midfield, to the logo on one run from Kyren Williams. Now they use play action. Stafford to wing one, right sideline, caught over the shoulder at the the 10, running out of bounds. Puka plucked it out of the sky. DJ Reed got burned by Puka. A 37-yard handoff down the right sideline to Nacua. Here we go, 1st and goal, inside the 1-yard line. To the left, it's a stretch. It's Kyron, he's in on his feet for the 2nd time in this opening half. The Rams run it in against the Lions for the lead and march down the field for the go-ahead touchdown.
All day.
Jahmyr Gibbs is the tailback to begin this new drive with Goff under center. Play action, short set. Goff has to come off his first read, steps up and throws. It is bobbled and caught. Right side numbers, 40, 30, right sideline. Amon-Ra knocked out just as he gets to the 10. From the 8 and the left hash, it's 3rd down and 5 in the red zone. Bubble screen, right side, Amon-Ra with blocks inside the 5, twisting to the end zone, touchdown Detroit Lions. Amon-Ra St. Brown's 2nd touchdown in his homecoming, and the Lions lead the Rams 17-14 at SoFi Stadium with 6:12 left on the 2nd quarter clock. Lions football 17-14, Detroit leading Los Angeles, and the Lions at the 2-minute warning first half are faced with 4th down and 1 from their own 29-yard line, and they're going for it. 3 in the backfield, including Amon-Ra St. Brown. They play fake, set up to throw. They get it out left side. It's Brown the catch, up the sideline, steps out above the 40, an easy 4th down and 1 conversion. Goff on 3rd down needs 8. Against a 4-man rush, he stands in and delivers. Right side, caught at the numbers, sliding down with another 1st down. Amon-Ra St. Brown, a 3rd down and long conversion on a dart from Jared Goff. 17-14 they lead, now they step on the accelerator. Goff drifting left, comes back middle, his pass is caught. A contested catch at the 31 by Jameson Williams. New 1st down for Jared Goff. 1st down snap. Goff sets the laces, looking for a target. Wings one middle, end zone caught on the Emmett Rams. Jameson Williams, touchdown Lions. It's a 10-point lead. And now I feel like it's incumbent upon the Rams to find a way to get at least a long field goal try. When you're down 2 possessions against an offense like this, I know there's only 30 seconds left, but you have to be aggressive with 2 timeouts.
Yeah, you got to find a way to get some points here in this situation.
New 1st down, 18 seconds, 1 timeout. Has a shotgun snap. He spins one right side. Puka's alone. He caught it. Knocked out at the 20. The Rams are in field goal range. The coverage fell off Puka Nacua. DJ Reed took a spill. It's a 36-yard connection to Puka Nacua. If they can hit a field goal here, they'll only be down a possession when we start the 3rd quarter. The thicker kicker from 37, Harrison Mevis. Heading to the half from 37, right-footed boot on the way. And he put it through the pipes to make it a 1-possession game.
Let's play fast. Green light.
You have to get off the field here if you're the Rams defense.
3rd down and 10. Detroit 4 of 7 on this money down here in week 15. Goff calls for the silent count snap. Blitz is on. They get to Goff. He throws left, caught, but shy of the sticks and taken down at the 40-yard line.
A great call there by Chris Shula. You send a blitz all from the right side of the offense. Great job there.
Phenomenal tackle coming up with a body part. Hey, listen, man. Our offense, they need us. Let's keep doing what we're doing to give them opportunity to have some more snaps, all right? Let's make plays. That first half, man. It was well beyond us. In life, we can only happen what happens next. Next.
Rams down 4. 5:14 in this 3rd quarter. Stafford, 3rd down. They're 1 for 6 today. He whistles one over the middle. Complete to Devontae at the 45-yard line. A couple of critical 3rd down conversions here. At the 4-minute mark, 3rd quarter, they're driving. Zips one middle, caught by Devontae again from the right side. He barrels down to the 26-yard line with another LA 1st down. first down and 10 from the 26. Here comes the blitz. Stafford throws right side. It is caught at the front right pylon. Kobie Parkinson. A touchdown in 5 of his last 6 games. Kobie celebrates the go-ahead score. That was a dime from Matthew Stafford as his MVP campaign kicks into high gear with the go-ahead score.
The boys are in the house.
SoFi rocking. Inglewood is deafening. All the momentum belongs to the Rams' house now. Some game pressure now on Goff and the Lions, really for the first time today. Has the shotgun snap. Pressure up the middle. He spins out. He is sacked! The conductor with back-to-back hits on Jared Goff. The Lions will punt on back-to-back possessions. The Rams with the lead, 27-24. New drive, Matthew Stafford. 4 Lions coming after him. He has time to rip it middle. Puka's got the catch. Bouncing off a hit at the 20. Still rumbling inside the 15. Puka Nacua, your favorite receiver's favorite receiver. Matthew is sizzling. Puka can't be stopped. 8 catches, 169 yards. A 3-point lead and the ball in the red zone. He will get the feed. He bounces left side, 10-5. Corum skates in. Touchdown, Blake Corum. Touchdown, LA. The Rams open up a 2-score lead over the Lions in week 15.
Now look, the game that we played first half ain't the game that we play in second half. We done got a whole bunch of lemons and now we got lemonade. Now, don't change the recipe. When the lemonade is good, don't add no more sugar, dog.
Detroit will have to settle for a long field goal try to bring this back to a 1-possession deficit. On the way, it's leaning right, and it sneaks in. Just got it. 1-possession game. It feels like the Rams are going to need at least one more score. Stafford against the blitz, off play action, steps up to dodge the rush, throws low, and it's caught! Unbelievable, Tutu Atwell at the sideline. The handoff, Corum, he bounces left, he turns the corner, midfield, first down 40, Corum down the sideline. The Rams set up for a 2-score lead. Blake Corum is balling.
Corum hits that corner, uses that burst and that speed, is able to outrun both Rocky Sin and Anzalone.
3 tight ends on the field. They fake the handoff, they roll right, they throw to the right flat, it's caught, it's another touchdown! Kobie Parkinson, go off! His 2nd score of the day! The Rams are back on top! It's a multi-touchdown performance for the MVP frontrunner, Matthew Stafford, against his former franchise. One more stop on defense will do it for the Rams. Here it is, chest high, looking left, survey, shoots middle, caught on the crosser, first down Detroit. Blitz, they get to Goff, they knock him off his spot. Goff pushed off the right side, throws down the sideline, and it's a tiptoe catch.
This Rams defense has done a great job in the second half. Let's see if they can tighten up here in the red zone.
Precious seconds draining here. They're not dead yet. Behind his block, lowers his shoulder. He's in, touchdown Detroit.
One play at a time. Let's go get this thing. One play at a time. That's all we need. Let's go.
3rd down and 6. First down wins it. Puka in motion, jet sweep. He targets the left side. Behind his blocks, he's hit. He bounces off. He's tackled inbounds, but shy of the line to gain. There goes the clock. No timeouts for the Lions. They must have a touchdown. 13 seconds left in week 15. As long as the Lions don't score a touchdown, the Rams get a playoff spot. The Rams dropping into coverage. The throw goes middle. Here's the first lateral. Jamison Williams knocked off his feet at the 42-yard line. 5 seconds. They put the ball down 4 seconds. With 2, Jared Goff trying to spike it. No time left. Rams win. Game over. For the 7th time in 9 seasons under Sean McVay, LA clinches a playoff spot. They rally from down 10 to win it. The Rams move to 11-3 with 3 games to play.
Oh, that's what I meant. That was playoffs? Yeah. Oh, damn. All right.
They will take the field in Seattle on Thursday night in first place in the division and in the conference standings.
Hey, here's what I'm going to tell you guys. So proud of the resilience, the mental toughness, and here's the reality. All right, we punched our ticket to be able to get in the playoffs, but we know good job right there. All right, excellent job. We didn't talk about that all week, but we knew this. All right, unbelievable job. I'll recognize a couple guys, but our preparation for Thursday starts right after this. Hey, new career high, 181 was all over the place today. Hey, you already know the man right there.
Hey, man, I fucking love coming to work with you guys, man. Let's keep kicking ass, huh?
Let's
Got
go.
a game. Feels like 72. Let's go get it done, huh? Rams on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our videos.